My video guide is about removing the ransomware called DontCryLol. DontCryLol is the ransomware that may attack your files. This is why it is also called as a file virus. The ransomware encrypts the files and damages them. Before the ransomware's attack, there are no troubles opening any file types, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office, documentation, and other data. Sadly, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this DontCryLol ransomware may be very easily injected into the system. So then very soon people realize that they can no longer access their data. This ransomware encrypts files and damages them. My video, of course, is only for the educational purposes. I am not related to this ransomware, and I'm not promoting this ransomware. Sadly, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities, this ransomware called DontCryLol may be easily injected into the computer, and then pretty soon people realize that they can no longer access their data. The ransomware encrypts the files, damages them, and also reveals this ransom note. It's called Restore Your Files. The ransomware then tells the victims that they need to pay a special ransom for file restoration. But paying the ransom is obviously not a good idea. This does not guarantee the file restoration, and if you pay the ransom, you may just waste your money. Don't pay it. I recommend you to remove this ransomware with Combo Cleaner Antivirus by going to the page combocleaner.com, download the software, install it, and once it gets successfully installed, click on Start Scan button. The program will be initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. And most likely the software would first of all update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. Also, I want to emphasize your attention on the fact that Combo Cleaner does not decrypt files. It helps to remove this ransomware. It helps to protect your files in the future, but it does not decrypt the files. Keep this in mind. And there is no any other antivirus which would be able to decrypt these files. At the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of the threats. You will be able to know their locations. Consider upgrading to premium, which will help you to get rid of this ransomware and to protect your data from further ransomware attacks. And in the description to the video, please find a special link which will give you more information on how to recover your files.